sweet, juicy peaches are a symbol in North Carolina in summertime, and they smell so good.
Did you know that North Carolina growers produce more than 24 different varieties of peaches?
And China was where peaches originated, but they have adapted very well in North America.
And California is the #1 state in the United States that produces peaches, followed by Georgia, South Carolina, New Jersey, and North Carolina.
And you can find fresh, delicious peaches from June until August in North Carolina. So now that we've been talking so much about peaches, let's make a couple peachy dishes.
Sounds good.
So we're making peach dumplings.
And we're making a delicious peach salsa.
So they both sound yummy. Let's get started first with the peach dumplings. What you will need is 4 peaches, which have been washed in cold water, and you'll also need a pie crust. So what you will do is cut your pie crust twice into 4 triangles. So you'll take your peaches, and if you will take your pie crust and form it up to the top of your peach. And then what you will do, once you get your pie crust on, is to put it with the seam down onto your Pyrex dish. And then Miss Denise will help us with the rest. And once you have all 4 of them, you will bake this at 350 degrees. And you will know that it's done when you see juices forming at the bottom. And that will take about 35 to 40 minutes. So of course, you still have your pit in your peaches and also the skin on. Well, it's fine to eat the skin of the peach since we've washed it, but you will need to watch out for the pit when you eat these. So we'll take these over to the oven.
While those are baking, we're going to make our peach salsa. So you're going to need about 2 cups of fresh peaches, which are diced. And to that, we're going to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, about 1/4 of a cup of diced red onion, and a 1/4 of a cup of raisins. And I believe that's 1/8 of a cup of onion. So we're going to give that a little stir.
Ooh, that looks good.
It smells good too. Now we're going to let that sit overnight in the refrigerator so that all these great flavors can marinate together.
Our peach dumplings are now out of the oven. They smell so good.
Oh, they do.
And they look so good. So now let's make a glaze to go over the top of them. You will need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, also 1/2 tablespoon of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, as well as a tablespoon of milk. And if you'll take that and stir it, and this will make a really delicious glaze as a dessert. So we are making a good dessert to go on our peach dumplings today. So let's take some of our glaze and put over our peaches. Just let that kind of fall over. They are still warm. So this glaze is just kind of melting into our peach dumplings. And this looks really good. Let's see if we can get one of these out. And we are going to put it out on our serving plate. And I'm going to cut this open so you can see what it looks like on the inside. If I can get my fork around here. Wow, that looks delicious. That looks good. So I think you will enjoy eating your peach dumpling.
And we're going to take our salsa and sprinkle it over some tortillas that we've baked with cinnamon and sugar. Just kind of gently spoon that over.
That looks good too.
It does.
Our recipes today came from 4-H Cooking 101, which was written by the University of Illinois Cooperative Extension.
We hope you enjoy your peachy recipes and have a peachy day.